Just sit back and relax. And as you relax, give yourself permission to close your eyes. That's right. And as your eyes are closed, you discover your new awareness of thoughts, feelings, and sounds. And as you focus on this awareness, you sense a special feeling of relaxation within you. A special releasing, relaxation, resting. You sense the gentle softness of your breathing. You sense the gentle softness of your breathing. And that gentle softness touches every cell, muscle, and nerve in your body, relaxing you, refreshing you with peace and quietness. You may think of thoughts, or you may feel. They come and go in their own way, allowing your subconscious mind now to discover what is right for you, allowing your subconscious mind to discover what is right for you. Experiencing those feelings, thoughts, and sensations that allow you to totally relax, release, and refresh you, doing it your way, gently, easily, and comfortably. That's right. Allowing it to grow and expand now. Allowing it to grow and expand now. So good, so pleasing, so restful, so refreshing. It's important to understand that your body is capable of healing itself in any respect, no matter how great the damage or how great the disease. So relax even more deeply now. Relax even more deeply now. And as you do begin to focus on allowing the cells to become more powerful, as you do begin to focus on allowing the cells to become more powerful with each breath now you take, empower the cells in your body. Empower the cells in your body which are protecting you. Send a message down through your central nervous system to release these powerful cells to any place in your body that is in need. The cells are helpers, protectors, and healers. They are your friends. Take a deep breath and feel them becoming more powerful. Take a deep breath and feel them becoming more powerful. Encourage them to battle any discomfort or disease. Encourage them to battle any discomfort or disease within you. If you know the exact location within your body, direct these helpers and healers there. If you know the exact location within your body, direct these helpers and healers there. Feel them destroying anything that is harmful to you. Feel them. Feel them destroying. Feel them destroying anything that is harmful to you. Direct them as a general would do to destroy that disease. Direct them as a general would do to destroy that disease. Imagine these cells doing just that. Imagine these cells doing just that. Imagine them killing the corona agents. Imagine them killing the corona agents. Imagine them killing. Imagine them killing the corona virus. Direct them to crush every harmful cell in your body so that none of them are left. Direct them to crush every harmful cell in your body so that none of them are left. Make sure they clean up their mess by forcing the destroyed cells out of your body. Make sure. Take all the time you need. Take all the time you need. Breathe them out. Breathe them out. Breathe them out. Or let them pass through. Let them pass through your urine or stool. Now take another deep breath and direct your immune system. Another deep breath and direct your immune system by your thinking to manufacture more helpers and protectors for you. Make them stronger and even stronger. Make them stronger and even stronger. Again, take your time. Produce as many of the helpers and protectors cells that you need. Take your time. Produce as many of the helper and protectors. Produce any amount of helpers and protector cells that you need. Now, imagine you are giving instructions to your helpers and protectors. Imagine you are giving instructions to your helpers and protectors to again patrol your entire body, keeping you safe and secure, and your mind and body at their normal, natural, and healthy best. Take a moment to accept yourself, love yourself more deeply than you ever have before. Be very proud of your healing. Be very proud of the healing work that began, that you have done. You are very special and very precious. You're very, very proud of your healing. Treat it wonderfully so that you may protect it from any harm or disease. You have a right to believe and trust in yourself. You have a right to believe and trust in yourself. You have right to believe and trust in yourself. You are a healer. You have healed yourself. You have healed yourself. You have healed yourself. Now, as I count from the number 1 to number 5, return to full awareness at the number 5. 1. Feeling wonderful, relaxed and calm. 2. Feeling alert with all the surroundings. 3. Feeling fantastically good inside and outside. 4. More aware. And 5. Open your eyes. Open your eyes and return to full awareness. Return to full awareness.